Welcome, today I've heard of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced features. Then scroll a little bit more down and you'll see screenshots and screen recorder section. Tap here once and now we can see here the screen recorder section with the settings. So just to change the video quality we should click here once and now we can switch it from highest to the medium or to the low. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts and somewhere here you should find the screen recorder icon. Just to launch the settings you should hold it for a while and just to change the video quality click to this section and switch it. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.